And this seems to be empty.
Looks a bit smaller than on the pictures on the internet.
Yeah, but this is not only Dubrovnik, right? On the other side there's also like a big pace of it. But I would have expected that there would be a lot more houses up against the hill.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty steep there.
Yeah, it is. There's a boat there, and there's a little bit bigger boat there, and then there's an even bigger boat there. And I expect these to be cruise ships. This one no, but these two are probably the more expensive kind of cruise ships. Pretty big, pretty big. There's an anchorage here. Somebody has to clean. That one's even bigger. This one is quite stylish indeed. Look at the front. It's an eagle or something like that.
Yeah. I think it says Phoenix.
Oh yeah, Phoenix. Rising from the ashes.
Yeah, it's nicer than Jeff Bezos' girlfriend.
Jeff Bezos' boats with his utility ship as well. Man.
What flag is that then? Need some time to.
So I've got another hobby. Some of you know that. Urbex, urban exploring, and this seems to be empty. All of it. How? Such a place. Not that it's beautiful, but it's prime, and it's prime on a prime spot, right? Man. Wow. So maybe you will see us in there tomorrow or today. Yeah, tomorrow probably. Morning everybody. This is the day Loris is coming, so we are doing some cleaning. Stefan is gonna sleep in the front for 2 nights. And yeah, this is one of the hats I just cleaned. I can't get that off, but like okay. And we're cleaning the rest of the stuff as well, of course. And the weather is still okay, but it will be stormy in a few hours. It's like it's gonna be gusts up until 35 knots for sure, and we're already rolling because of the swell that's starting. So yeah, but we'll keep you guys updated. Loris will be here like within the hour, I think. So see you guys later. So the storm has come, at least the wind, and somebody else came as well. Hey, hello, hello.
Hello.
So tell us, your name?
Loris.
Loris, yes. Okay, yeah, Loris is coming up. He just flew over to the airport here, Dubrovnik, and yeah, we should have gone today, but we decided not to because of this wind. It's gonna be like around 35 knots, and could even be more maybe. We saw like two fronts going, like we could have gone in between, but you don't know if the fronts get together, then it's gonna be really tricky. So yeah, so we didn't do that. But welcome on board,
Thank you.
Loris, and
Pleasure to be here.
hope to have some nice sailing with you here.
Oh, yes.
And of course, yeah, Stefan is still here, but he's gonna go for in Italy if we ever reach
Arrive
Italy.
there.
If we ever arrive in Italy. No, we'll see. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. This is how it is now. Like we're pretty rolly, and that's the waves now. And it was it's now 19 to 22. The wind was already at 25, 26, and they said it would be going up to 35. So, but maybe we're lucky, and we're just outside of the real hurt. So let's hope that. So it's getting more windy. I hope you can hear me. Spock, really rolly. Still okay. It's now 25, 26 knots. So I can even go higher till 10 knots more. Here we see the sea on the other side. There we are. Look at him go. Really rolling. Water getting over there. Like what a day this is. It's a rolly, windy, and people are forgetting their bow lines and those kind of things. Oh man, it's crazy. So the wind settled down a little bit and then it came up again. We tied it to two mooring lines. We have a line in the midway, like on the mid plate. Then we have another line here. Then we have a line here. Then we have another line here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines on this side, 4 lines on the other side. So, and that's now, that was coming, but it went past us. And now it's still blue, luckily. So I hope that skips us. So all the boats are here are like put off the dock there as well, because they are like all if you're close to the dock, you're going to be going into the dock, and you don't want to have that. So we also got away from the dock a little bit more, so we can have some peace and relaxing night. But you can see what it's doing. Say that we had a bad night. I fell into the water between the boat. This line broke in the night. But today we're gonna check what we're gonna do if we go to Saftat.
Live long and prosper.